Namaskar, welcome everyone to Yoga with Heena Vaze. Today we are going to practice a very beautiful session of complete body stretch. If you're practicing it in the morning, it is best. Even if you're practicing it in the evening, it will give you a complete relaxation as we are covering our complete entire body stretch. So quickly get on your mat and we will begin. Before that, please do not forget to subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon. Now, please sit comfortably in Siddhasana. I'm keeping my left leg down and right leg up. Okay, I'm keeping my both the heels one over another. Try to spread out your knees as much as possible. Keeping back straight, hands in Jnana Mudra, and gently close your eyes. Breathe in, breathe out. Bring all your attention to yourself, to your body, your breath. Let us be aware of this present moment. Relax. Let's chant Omkar 3 times. Breathe in. Breathe in. Breathe in. Relax. Rub your palms. Cup your eyes. Open your eyes in your hands. Rub your palms on your face. Hands down and relax. Now we will begin our session with gentle stretches first and then we'll continue. This session is in a complete flow, okay? I'm not breaking any asana. We are not taking any pause in between, okay? It will be a very gentle flow and you will enjoy it. You'll enjoy it a lot. So try not to take a break in between, not to pause the session or, not to get distracted by anything. Just go with the flow. Enjoy the stretches. Let your body just flow to the rhythm. Okay, so we will begin. Now, first of all, let's wake up our body by the side stretch. Take your right hand, keep it on your right. Take your left hand, take it above your head and stretch. A complete side body stretch. Inhale and exhale throughout. Slowly to your left. Again to your right. Again to your left. Slowly come back to your center and move for twisting. Right hand on your left knee, left hand behind your back and turn. Turn from your left. Give a nice stretch to your spine. And opposite. One more time from your left. And from your right. And to your center and relax. Make sure that we are inhaling and exhaling throughout the session. Peaceful inhalation and exhalation. No need to force your breath. Okay, now slowly we will lie down on our back. Gently roll down on your back. Now fold your legs and lift them straight up. Straight up. Try to press your knees straight. Feel the stretch in your thighs. Stretch in your calves. My toes are pointing inwards. Just hold here. Inhale and exhale. Feel your blood flowing upwards. Now, those who can reach their toes, keeping the knees straight, they will hold their toes. Okay, those who want to bend their knees and then hold, you have to do that as well. Hold your big toe and try to press your knee straight as much as possible. And let's hold here. Don't forget to breathe and give a nice stretch. And now slowly start bending your knees and take them apart. And stretch. Stretch into happy baby pose. Feel the stretch in your inner thighs. Five, four, three, two, one. Now we'll take our knees closer and then now hug them tight like this. Hug your knees tight and lift your head up. Pavanmuktasana and hold here. You can also interlock your fingers for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly head down and now open your arms, spread them apart, make a T pose. Now take both your knees to your right and neck to your left and stretch. Try to relax in each and every pose. A nice stretch to your spine. We'll be holding for a few more seconds. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1 and opposite. Slowly knees to your left. Stretch nicely. You will feel the relaxation in your spine. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly come back to your center. Both the legs down, hands on the side. And from here we will go for Setu Bandhasana. Shoulder level distance between your feet. And lift your middle body up. And stretch up. Those who are comfortable can also lift their heels up. Those who are comfortable can also interlock their fingers and stretch as much as you can. Keep breathing for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly release your hands, come down, legs straight and relax. Inhale and exhale. And let's continue. Slowly we will turn from one side and come on our stomach. Both the hands forward, leg backward, toes pointing out. Now we'll go for Ardha Dhanurasana. Fold your right leg, hold it with your right hand, chin on the ground. Now breathe in and lift up and stretch. And hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly down. And opposite with your left hand and leg. Chin on the ground. Breathe in and up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly down. Now put the legs together. Fold. Breathe in and up. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly down and relax. Take a breath in Makarasana. Inhale and exhale. Now both the hands under your shoulders, lift up and go to Shashankasana. Both the knees apart, toes join forward, land your hips on your heels, hands forward, forehead down. Give a nice stretch to your back and relax. Take 3-4 breaths here, stretch properly. Again, both the hands under your shoulders, lift up and come to your tabletop position. Stand on your knees, hands forward. Now make sure your shoulder and palms are in one line, hips and knees are in one line. Shoulder level distance between your hands, your knees and your feet. Check your alignment and start with cat and cow pose. Breathe in, stretch up, arch your spine, tuck your toes. Breathe out, roll in. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Now remember, this is a spinal movement. Observe your spine. This is a full body stretch session. So make sure your each and every body part is stretching. One last time. Slowly tuck your toes, and now from here we'll move to inverted dog position. Just slightly take your hands forward and lift up. Come to inverted dog. If you are not able to touch your heels down, just walk forward slightly. Push your chest in. Press your knees. Breathe in and out in inverted dog pose. 3, 2, 1. Now slowly we'll take our right leg in between our hands like this and go to warrior 1. Both the hands at the center in Namaskar Mudra. Both the hands straight up and try to arch back. Inhale and exhale. Slowly again go down. Take your right leg back. Stretch in inverted dog. Take your left leg at the center. Again go to warrior. Slowly go down. Again go to inverted dog. And slowly walk forward. Walk, walk, walk. I have reached a corner of my mat. You have to reach your corner of your mat. And from here we are going to start with Surya Namaskar. One round of Surya Namaskar. Both the hands at the center in Namaskar Mudra. Breathe in, both the hands up, bend back, stretch back. Breathe out, both the hands down, stretch down. Breathe in, one leg back and stretch. Breathe out, other leg back in inverted dog. Now hold your breath. Move to Ashtangasana, knees down, chest and chin down. Now slide forward in Bhujangasana. Again lift up in inverted dog. One leg center in between your hands. Other leg center, bend down. Breathe in, both the hands up, bend back. Breathe out. Relax. Calm down. Now we have successfully stretched our entire body. This will give you a nice refreshment if you are doing it in the morning. It will energize you. This session you can repeat it daily as well because it has covered almost everything. Even beginners can do it, and even if you are an intermediate practitioner, you can do this session very comfortably. Now before we conclude, please do not miss the relaxation. Please sit comfortably. You can sit in Siddhasana, Sukhasana, any comfortable position. Now you can keep your one hand on your chest, one hand on your belly. Try to relax your breath. Try to relax your body. Focus only on your breath. Let us inhale in 4 counts. Exhale in 6. Breathe in 2, 3, 4. Breathe out 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breathe in 2, 3, 4. Breathe out 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Continue silently. Relax. Let's join our hands and chant one Omkar with 3 Shantis. Breathe in. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Rub your palms. Cup your eyes. Open your eyes and your hands. Rub your palms on your face, on your body, your belly. Thank you. Thank you so much for completing the session. You have done a great job for yourself. I will see you soon in the next video. Please subscribe to the channel so that we can meet again. Take care. Bye.